In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your project by uploading font files. This is a great skill to learn if you want to give your project a unique and polished look. Custom fonts can make a huge difference in the visual appeal of your work, helping it stand out in a sea of standard typefaces. Plus, using the right font can amplify the message you're trying to convey. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that your font files are prepared in one of the supported formats. Common formats include WOF, WOF2, TTF, or OT. These file types are essential because they ensure compatibility across different browsers and devices, providing a smooth user experience. It's always a good idea to check your font files now to prevent any hiccups later. Once your font files are in order, navigate to your project's project settings. To do this, find the settings icon or menu in your project dashboard. Look for the Fonts tab. This is where you'll manage everything font related for your project. It's an indispensable tool for giving your project a tailored and professional appearance. In the Fonts tab, you'll see the option to upload custom fonts. Click on this and a dialog box will open, allowing you to select the font files from your computer. This step is pretty straightforward, just like attaching a file to an email. Browse your folders, find the fonts you need, select them, and click Upload. After uploading, you'll be prompted to enter some details about the font. This is where you'll give your font a name, which will help you identify it later when you're designing. Additionally, make sure to select the correct weight and style that corresponds to your font files. For instance, you might want to specify whether your font is regular, bold, italic, or bold italic. These distinctions are crucial as they help in correctly applying the fonts to the text elements in your project. Once you're satisfied with these settings, don't forget to save your changes. There's also a slightly different method you can use while you're in the Designer tool. If you're already working on your design and decide you need a custom font, select a text element you wish to customize. Scroll down to the typography section in the Properties panel. Here you'll find an Add Font button at the top. Clicking this will take you directly to the same Fonts tab in Project Settings, saving you a bit of time. By knowing how to upload custom fonts, you're well on your way to creating designs that are uniquely yours. With just a few simple steps, you can elevate the aesthetic of your work significantly. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you all the best with your creative projects. Happy designing!